Okay, let's dive into how a digital shift can totally revolutionize your daily business operations.
So many businesses are still kind of stuck with these outdated manual systems.
And what does that get you? Serious security gaps, wasted time, and zero useful data.
Well, that's where the security-first digital platform comes in. It brings everything into one ecosystem. All right, first up, let's talk about the powerful security features baked right in. We're talking a complete visitor management system, pre-scheduling, and even security patrol monitoring. And wow, just look at the difference. We're going from messy paper to sleek digital passes. It's all about making access faster, way more secure, and completely traceable. Okay, next, let's see how this platform also streamlines your day-to-day operations. So SFDP pretty much eliminates all those paper-based tasks with these digital solutions. For instance, tracking deliveries becomes this simple, transparent, three-step digital process. You can just replace those manual attendance sheets with accurate mobile check-ins. This makes sure nothing ever gets lost, and you can track every job till it's done. But it's not just about ops. The platform also helps you actually engage your audience. You get awesome tools to run campaigns, create surveys, and even manage all your QR codes. You can even measure customer satisfaction using things like Net Promoter Score analytics, so you can gather really valuable insights directly from your visitors and customers. So what does this all add up to? Well, there are 3 huge benefits for your business. First, you're going to save a ton of time by automating all that manual work. Second, you'll slash costs on things like paper, printing, and all that physical storage. And third, you get powerful, actionable insights from real-time dashboards and reports. These 3 pillars right here, that's the core value SFDP brings to any organization. And since all this data is super accessible, you can make way smarter decisions. Ultimately, you're just moving from manual chaos to complete digital control. So the only question left is your business ready for its digital transformation?